Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to another episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Today, we're making Jolly Rancher shots. But first, we have to make some Jolly Rancher vodka. ML Vodka. This big bottle was only $12. We're gonna put about 300 milliliters of vodka into each mason jar. And drop in about 20 of each Jolly Rancher flavor. Cherry Jolly Ranchers for cherry vodka, blue raspberry vodka, green apple, and watermelon. Then you gotta wait 24 hours for the flavors and the colors to infuse. And here's what it looks like after 24 hours. Alright folks, so let's go ahead and make these Jolly Rancher shots. First we got red, cherry Jolly Rancher. Blue for blue raspberry. Green, green apple. And pink for the watermelon Jolly Rancher. Top it off with some lemon lime soda. I got some Starry here. Alright folks, let's take these Jolly Rancher shots. I'm a little bit worried. I have to do 4 of them. Alright. Cherry Jolly Rancher. Cheers. Well, they're called shots for a reason. They're pretty strong. It does taste like a cherry Jolly Rancher, and the strongness is just cut out a little bit with the lemon lime soda. Is it balanced? Maybe. It's strong, it's sweet, and it's a shot. If you like cherry Jolly Ranchers, do it. Blue raspberry. Cheers. It tastes like a very strong blue raspberry slush. I think the blue raspberry flavor is a little bit more pronounced than the cherry flavor so far. Alright, let's keep powering through. Green apple shot. Cheers. So the green apple Jolly Rancher shot, that's my favorite so far. It would definitely make like a good candy apple martini. The apple flavor is very pronounced. They're still strong, they're still shots, but the green apple flavor is good in that one. Alright folks, last but not least, the watermelon Jolly Rancher shot. Cheers. I would say the watermelon was the most balanced of all of these. Either that or I just can't notice anymore. But that was definitely the best tasting one, the watermelon. Well folks, that's gonna just about do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Check out some of these other videos on the screen here. Leave me a comment if you like, and I'll see you in the next episode.